Have you ever wondered one random challenge changed our entire life?
The Lam Research Challenge. 10 questions in 1 hour short-circuited my mind.
Oh, that quiz! I still remember. Then after it comes to prototype round. Sleepless nights, tireless work, coffees and conflicts.
And finally, the most exciting part of the challenge, the finals. I still remember how we entered with a lot of expectations and they were completely beaten. Before we knew it, we were running around searching for parts and trying to make our robots work. And I think that's what Lam does. They don't just test our knowledge, they test the way we think. So we got to join Lam as interns and we were immediately thrown into project work that involved things like hardware testing and simulation work and emulator design. And we really got to apply what we learned in the classrooms practically and deepen our understanding of things.
Same here. And my team treats me like their own. So no intern tag.
So now we're full-time employees and I think it feels really good, right?
Yeah.